This food is from California Fish Grill. And I think they have locations on the West Coast. Because I'm in Vegas. And I'm in California Fish Grill. I'm pretty sure they have some in California. But, yeah, so this bowl has, I usually get cauliflower rice. It's like a burrito bowl. Some type of white stuff on top. Some type of white sauce. That's what it's a burrito bowl, and I substitute the salmon for the shrimp. Like some grilled shrimp and avocado and pickled onions, some beans. It's good.